Detecting internal defects in fuel injector rails is one of the toughest inspection challenges on the shop floor. Burrs, scratches, or dents inside injector ports often slip past manual checks, leading to rejections, rework, or field failures. But with Borescope inspection powered by DeepInspect, you don't have to rely on guesswork anymore. A Borescope lens helps reach these internal areas, but the real value lies in what happens next. DeepInspect makes the inspection process smarter, faster, and more accurate. You can ensure every fuel injector rail that goes out is perfect, inside and out. Here's how it works. Fuel rails are loaded on a sliding platform. As the platform moves forward, a Borescope lens enters the rail through the inlet port. It captures clear, detailed images of the injector ports and internal surfaces. DeepInspect takes over from there, analyzing every image in real time. It detects even the smallest defects with 99.5% accuracy. Burrs, dents, scratches as small as 0.5 millimeters, and instantly gives a clear result, G or NG. There's no manual judgment, no inconsistency, just fast, repeatable, and reliable inspection. What makes DeepInspect stand out? Requires just 200 plus good images for model training. Delivers over 99.5% accuracy in detecting internal defects. False positives are less than 0.5%. Real-time analytics and downloadable quality reports. Fully integrates into your existing Borescope inspection setup. Your teams get real-time visibility, fewer errors, and complete control over internal quality checks using DeepInspect. Join Global Fortune 500 brands in optimizing manufacturing by leveraging DeepInspect. Contact us now to revolutionize your production line.